Okay, day 2 of circular motion. So now we're just going to incorporate that force. So before we saw centripetal acceleration, AC is equal to V squared over R. If we want to make that a force, just have to multiply by mass. So we can see force is mass times AC, or mass times V squared over R. So let's do our first question. Scroll down. So it says that calculate the centripetal acceleration and centripetal force on the moon as it orbits the Earth. Okay, so we have, again, just like we saw last day, we have centripetal acceleration is equal to V squared over R. Last day we saw that 27.3 days is 2358720 seconds. We know V is equal to 2 pi R over T. I'm going to plug that in to V. So when I plug it in, we get AC is equal to 4. 2 squared is 4. Pi squared is just pi squared. R squared is R squared, but there's another R on the bottom, so one cancels out. Over T squared. So if I want a force now, FC is just equal to MAC. So I just take that exact same expression, but put a M in front. Plug in all their values. We get FC is equal to 7.35 times 10 to the 22 kilograms. That's how heavy the moon is. Times 4 pi squared times R 3.84 multiplied by 10 to the 8 meters. And our time is 2358720 seconds. We're going to square that. Plug it all in, we end up with FC is equal to 2.0 times 10 to the 20 newtons. And if we just divide by the mass, we can also find that acceleration. 2.7 times 10 to the negative 3 meters per second squared.